Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make sous vide fried pork chops, and I'll be using my Joule and my Hamilton Beach deep fryer. Sous vide cooking cooks your food to perfection every single time. Your food will never be dried out or overdone. So in my Joule app, I'm setting my temperature to 131, which is the lowest that I can go for cooking the pork chops. I don't want the pork chops to be well done because I am going to be deep frying them later. So they're just going to be slightly pink. So while the water is heating up, we're going to season the pork chops. So we're going to brush them with some yellow mustard. And no, it doesn't make your pork chops taste like mustard, but it does make them taste delicious. Next, we've got some garlic salt, some onion salt, followed by some freshly ground black pepper, some sazon all-purpose seasoning, and then a little bit of cayenne pepper. And then you're going to turn the chops over and season the other side. Once you're done seasoning your pork chops, go ahead and add them to your vacuum bag. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, then you can go ahead and use a gallon size Ziploc freezer bag. So once your pork chops have been sealed up and your water is heated, go ahead and add them to the water, and they will take about 45 minutes to cook. And if you're not ready for them in 45 minutes, you can leave them in there for, I believe, up to 3 hours. So make sure the pork chops are fully submerged and go ahead and press start. And then this is what they will look like once they're done cooking. Now they are ready to eat, but those don't look good. We're not done yet. Let's go ahead and season up some flour. So I've got some flour, some cornmeal, some seasoned salt, and some black pepper. And we're just gonna mix all that together. And then we're going to coat the pork chops in our seasoned flour. Make sure you coat them really well on both sides, shaking off any excess flour. And then once you have coated all of your pork chops, go ahead and double dip and coat them again. So now that your pork chops are nice and coated, it's time to go ahead and take them for a swim in that hot oil. I preheated my deep fryer to 350 degrees, and now it's time to cook them up. Well, actually, they're already cooked. We're putting them in the deep fryer to give them a nice golden crispy crust. So it's only going to take about 5 minutes. If you're cooking your pork chops from raw, then it's going to take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. But look at these babies, fresh out the grease. I haven't deep fried pork chops in I don't know how long. I don't deep fry. You know I'm an air fry girl. But these were amazing. So what did you think of this video recipe? Well, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, as it does help out my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!